Hi everyone, Captain Mark Review. Got a new product for you. This is the Ego 765 CFM cordless blower kit with the 56-volt 5 amp hour battery it comes with. This thing's supposed to run for 90 minutes. We'll see what that is when I get out using it in my yard, but let's open it up and see what it comes with. All right, and here is the blower tube. Very nice look. It's got the Ego logo, 765 CFMs on the side. Now, if you'll notice, this has a quick connect button for releasing the attachments to it. This is the reducer cone on it. Push the button in, and it's got a little locking piece. Again, also where it attaches to the blower itself. This is the spreader adapter to give it that wide angle blowing effect on the leaves. Also, it comes with the little clip on there to hold it into place. Here we got the actual blower itself. This is pretty light. I like this. Very light. Wow, cool design to this. It's all plastic all around. You can see that, but it's supposed to be variable speed on there. It looks like it's got a locking piece on there. Reaching down in here, and they have the Ego shoulder strap for that with the little logo on that. And we have the charging station for this. Now this charging station will do all 56-volt batteries. Ours and any other one, generic one that I pick up to work with this too. I don't have to just get the Ego battery. The actual battery itself, which is probably most of the weight here. Owner's manual on this. Again, the battery here. And these are sharp looking batteries too. So I also have a weed whackers with the Ego. So I wanted to get the blower, and I'm also going to get the chainsaw too to match the set. So I'll pick that up next weekend. But this is a battery, really nice. Cool looking on that. You push it, you have a button here. The indicator tells you what the charge level is on the battery. You can see I'm only down to 2 bars, so I'll have to charge this up before I go out. But it also has that quick release mechanism on it for hooking it up on the charger. I'll show you here. Simple slide it in the track. And there we go. Works really nice in there. Locks into place. And then you got the indicator that'll show you as it's charging. The cable out. See how long our cord is. It's your standard, I'd say 3-foot cord comes with it. And we'll put tube over here. Let's take a look at the actual blower, because that's what we were wanting to see here. Yeah, this is sharp looking. It has your trigger, very easy trigger, then it has a turbo button on the top of it. And it also has your speed controller on there too, so if you want to set it and hold it there, it'll automatically turn on for there. Lightweight, you can see where the air comes through the blower motor and pushes out through the end of there, so you can see that's pretty cool. It's very light. I like how sturdy it is. Very stable. Your little tab is on the side of it, and you can see it's right here on the side. So we just stick it in and locks into place. Very sturdy. Wow. There's a strap holder there that holds that into place when we put our strap on. Very cool looking. See how it looks with our battery in place. And take that off. Come down underneath, slide it, lock it into place, and there you go. Not bad. Not bad at all for the weight. Not too bad. I bet you we could even, it's got a little bit of power in here. Woo! Pull it in to run. Turbo. Wow. Very powerful. That right there is going to blow all my stuff off the wall. But this little guy runs in here, kind of like your set point for where you want to blow leaves. Pull it down, and of course your turbo. So you don't have to keep the trigger pushed in all the time. It's kind of like a cruise control for the thing. Wow, it's not so loud either. I like that. But I really like is you can turn it on when you want. It's nice and quiet. Comes with a 5-year warranty on the 3-year warranty on the battery. This is a quality cordless blower, and you can pick this up on Amazon for $2.99, and I'll leave that quick link down below for easy access. Let me get the battery charged up. We'll go on outside and see how it actually handles the leaves in my yard, because I have a very big yard. My yard's like 5 acres around there. So we're gonna push this thing to the max, see how it does. So let's get to it. This got some serious power. I love it. I love it. It's not turbo, but it's powerful. I'm going to get turbo on here in a minute. Turbo. Holy crap. That is powerful. Okay, so it's all done. I got it all cleared out, all the rocks, cleaned out all the leaves around my house. Did pretty good. It took me 2 batteries, 2 full charge batteries to get it all done. I wanted to show everybody real quick how the strap works with the blower. As you can see here, hooks on the side, and it's really nice. It just rests on the off your shoulders, and you got kind of a little hip action here going on. So pretty good. I like this. It's really light, quiet, so quiet. I don't even need hearing protection when I use this. It's battery powered, so you don't need to mix gas or oil like my backpack one that I used to use. Now I'm going to be using this. Charge time on this took about 2 hours. Run time on this, I used turbo a lot because I had a lot of wet leaves, so I needed that little extra boost. So I got about 46, 47 minutes according to my Apple Watch. And so really, it's a good deal, good price. Like I said, I got it at Amazon for $2.99. Again, they all interchange with the batteries, so I can use the same battery on my weed whacker. And like I said, I'm going to pick up a chainsaw this weekend, so you'll get to see the review on that. But that's my review. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.